She a ride or die, she sticking with me to the end. She was there since the beginning, so I'll never switch. I told her we gon' make it to the top, and when we get up there, I'm not gon' stop loving her. I ain't gon' put no one else above her. She my lady and I wanna show her.
Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. And today is Mask Monday, so if you don't know what Mask Monday is, I started this new series on my channel where I basically show you how to make a DIY face mask. 2, I discuss the properties of the ingredients of the mask, and 3, of course, I'm gonna put it on my face and rate the mask and see if I actually got any improvements from the mask. Today's mask for Mask Monday is gonna be an avocado face mask, and in the recipe it calls for 1/2 of an avocado, 1 teaspoon of honey, and a handful of oats. The oats are rich in antioxidants and they're used to calm the symptoms of eczema and psoriasis. I personally have eczema, but I don't have the flare-ups on my face. I used to, but I don't anymore. Who are having trouble with flare-ups on your face, this might be a really good mask for you. Last ingredient, which is honey, is antibacterial and is good for acne treatment. Now I'm about to show y'all how to actually make the mask. So now I'm about to put this on my face. I really don't know how this is. Oh, this is ugly. How am I gonna, oh my God. So I'm just using a makeup brush like I always do. I started off on a clean face. I mean, I don't know if that really matters or not, but that's what I did. I actually started to crush this up with a fork some more because it was really chunky on my face, as you can see. Ew, it's making my skin crawl. So I'm really just finna put this on my face with my hand. Ew, it's so gross. I don't even know to qualify this as a mask or not, but we gonna see. So like, I guess I'm not supposed to get the actual chunks on my face. I think it's really just like, I think it's the contents that I'm supposed to get on there. It looks like one of my little 3 or 4-year-old little cousins blew chunks in this bowl, and I'm putting it on my face. We gonna see if all these properties come into play. The website, it didn't really give me a specific amount of time to leave this on. So I guess I'm gonna leave it on for like 10 to 15 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. I don't know. So I'm gonna be back. I'm back, and I left the mask on for like 7 minutes because the little chunks of avocado and oatmeal were just starting to run down my face, and it was really gross. And it felt like a baby or a toddler or a small child just puked all over my face, and it's so gross. but I washed it off, and like my skin is smooth. It looks like my skin tone was kind of evened out a little bit. It might have, I think it has. But overall, I give mask an 8 out of 10 just because of the consistency. I myself, I don't like putting chunky things on my face. If you don't have a problem with putting chunky things on your face, then this mask isn't gonna like really affect you. But for me, stuff like that just, it makes my skin crawl for some odd reason. So I probably won't be doing this mask again anytime soon. But for you, if you like it, you can try it yourself. So you've come to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, along with a few videos that I've previously uploaded, you know, so you don't have to go back and scroll through trying to find a specific video. It's already down in the description box for you. But always, you can hit me up on all my social media and let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see. And be on the lookout for my college series. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.